Hi, everyone. I want to take this opportunity to let you in on something that we've been dealing with a client this week. Earlier on in the week, we had a client call into our office to cancel one of their insurance policies. I picked up the phone and had a chat to them to understand where their thinking's at, what's motivating them to cancel their insurance, and if there's anything that we can do. I then outlined to them what that insurance actually is and what it covers them for. The next day, the client rang back and essentially said, I need to do a full 360 and go from wanting to cancel my cover to actually want to chat to you because I think I'm actually eligible for a claim. Unfortunately, due to a medical episode that they've been through in the past month, I outlined to them that, in fact, they are covered for that under their current policy, and we've now lodged a claim on their behalf. We want to take this opportunity because we understand with the cost of living pressures, the increase in interest rates, and unfortunately insurance not being an exception to that, that insurance is becoming a little bit more expensive. But it's there to help protect you and your family in case something does happen. What I want to do is outline you really briefly the types of cover that you can get or that you might already have, and what they essentially cover you for. Obviously, there's a lot more detail, and we're happy to have a chat with anyone that wants to know more. So first of all, you've got what they call death or life insurance. Now, that's pretty self-explanatory that in the event that you pass away, money goes to your beneficiaries to help with, paying off debt, funding living expenses, education expenses, and a whole other lot of things. You then have what they call total and permanent disablement cover, or TPD for short. Long and short of it, that generally covers you in the event that you're unable to work ever again due to sickness or injury. Again, that can cover things like debt, living expenses, education, and that sort of thing. You then have income protection. Depending on the current policy that you have or new policies, you can get up to 70 to 75% of your pre-tax income covered under income protection. Depending on how it's structured, it can also be tax deductible to you. That provides you with a monthly taxable income that can go towards helping fund your living expenses while you're off work. So again, it covers you while you're off work due to sickness or injury. You can also get trauma cover. Trauma cover is a tax-free lump sum that helps pay for any medical expenses in the event that you're diagnosed with things like cancer, heart attack, stroke, and a whole bunch more of things. So if you don't have insurance currently, or you do have some insurance and you're weighing up the costs, please reach out to us and have a chat. Like what happened with this client, they've gone from thinking it's too expensive, I need to cancel it, to suddenly going, I'm actually eligible. Imagine what would have happened if they canceled their insurance and we didn't speak to them. So please reach out. We wanted to share that story with you. Insurance is important. We understand it might be costly to some, but there's a reason you have it. It's there to protect you in the event something does happen to you. So please reach out if you have any questions or you want to have a chat about your current insurances or whether insurance is the right thing for you. Thanks. Bye.